Example 1. A man is standing on a weighing machine placed in a lift. When stationary, his weight is recorded as 40 kg. If the lift is accelerated upwards with an acceleration of 1 meter per second square, then the weight recorded in the weighing machine will be, take G value 10 meter per second square. So when the lift was at rest, his actual weight was recorded as 40 kg. If the lift is moving upward with 1 meter per second square acceleration, then what will be the weighing machine reading be? Let us draw the diagram. Let us take lift, a man standing inside the lift on a weighing machine. The actual weight of the man was 40 kg into G. That means his actual mass is 40 kg. His actual weight will be 400 newtons because 40 into 10. When the lift was at rest, the weighing machine showing the reading 400 newtons, which is equivalent to 40 kg mass. If the lift is moving upward with acceleration A, which is 1 meter per second square, what will be the reading of the weighing machine? So the reading of the weighing machine is always the normal reaction between the man and the weighing machine, because normal reaction will tell us how strongly the two bodies are pressed each other. Therefore, with what effective force the man pressed the weighing machine, the same reading the weighing machine will show. So normal reaction is acting upward, his own weight is acting downward. Since along with the lift the man is also going upward, so according to free body diagram, normal minus the weight is equal to mass times acceleration. So normal minus 400 Newton is equal to mass is 40 times acceleration is 1. So normal will be equal to 400 plus 40, so which is equal to 440 newtons. Therefore the effective mass will be force by acceleration. Force is nothing but 440 Newton by acceleration due to gravity is 10, so which will be 44 kg. So the effective weighing machine reading will be 44 kg.